Well, hello everyone. As you can see, I've just had the Toro out clearing some snow. Now that that's done, I just wanted to take a moment to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from all of us here at Shopcat Industries. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. It's an absolute blast. I have no plans of stopping anytime soon, so make sure you come back, stick around. There's lots more to come in 2025. We'll see you there. Cheers.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire.
Pretty obvious. Oh, joy. This is weird. Look at how tiny this nut is. That's only 30 pound-feet on the end of that axle. That TIG one, remember the TIG one? That was what, 100 and then 180 degrees or something? It's huge, but that's just tiny. Anyway, now that the wheel's off, cap's off, I'll pull the brake out of the way and take the rotor off, undo that axle, and hopefully we can just pop the hub out without having to undo the upper or lower ball joints. That's the plan. Obviously not hitting on the braking surface inside of the rotor. Yahoo! Okay. 13. Will not be impacting this back on. I promise you that. That's it. It's out. That's not bad at all. One other thing is to put the truck in 4 high before you do this. You can see there's a little gear here, like splines, I guess. And there's splines here, so what happens on these Fords is they actually they retract that collar for 2-wheel drive, so its default is kind of 4-wheel drive. So basically you want to make sure that this is aligned so that it engages properly down the road when you do put it into 4-wheel drive, that it doesn't get all messed up. That's what I'm told anyway. There we go. There's even a measurement spec for how far this needs to stick out of the bearing before you try tightening the nut. But I just pushed on the other side and you could feel it engage, just like that. Maybe you can see there's a bit of a step there. So that's where our torque to yield is happening. These go to 148 pound-feet. Yeah, M14, 10.9. Looks like a 1.0 thread. That's a pretty solid torque spec for that. So this right here, this is the connector that goes down to our ABS sensor. So I think we gotta pop this, yeah. Pop that little red bit back, and then hopefully we can put the hand in here, squeeze that down. Yeah. There we go. And then just gonna drop that down. Right up there, there's a sort of a Christmas tree apparatus. I'm really gonna not even mess around with it, just chop it off. And there's another one. Alright, let's rip that out. So this is going to bolt up there. That's going to clip into there. And then we'll tighten that up after. We'll just feed this underneath our little hook here. Nice that it's yellow. I'm going to be able to see it when I get back up top there. And well, looks like we have to run inside this brake line. Christmas tree. Old Christmas tree. Sounds appropriate. go, right there. That's just plastic. It obviously doesn't have to be cranked on too tight. £148 pound-feet coming up. That's not too bad. I do want to do it in a cross pattern. That arm gets in the way a little bit. Good. There we go. Rotor first. Duh. That would have been painful. There we go. Those also get torqued to 148 pound-feet. They're a larger bolt, so we don't have to worry about the torque to yield stuff. Yeah, good. Okay. Well, there we are. That's not too bad a job. Really, all that's left is to put the wheel on, but it's almost 1 in the morning and I'm tired, so I got a little time. Tomorrow I can finish this up. They can't pick it up right away anyway, so that will be good enough. Actually, I guess I should do a little test drive with it too, but anyway, we're pretty much there, so. All right, that's all torqued up. All that's left is to take this for a rip, and if the parking aid system has no complaints, well, then we're good to go. Sweet.